Alright guys, with the help of my two boys, William and Jacob, we lifted the front end off.
With all the work and there's some dirt underneath the fender.
Yeah, that was making a bit of rust, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's behind it. It's not too bad. Bit of a clean up and it will be okay.
Yeah.
Let's have a look on the other side. What are you scraping at?
The dirt. The dirt is the dirt. There.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see why they rust. The dirt gets past it and it just sits in that behind the guard. But this one's not bad. It's got the dash out. And it won't be long and we'll be able to take the body off too.
What, you're gonna take off the body too?
Yeah, why not? We'll do the whole lot. Yeah.
Where can we put the body? Oh yeah, it's rusting,
I don't know.
Alright.
Somewhere.
Maybe over there.
Maybe.
And then when we're done with it, we can put it back on.
Alright, stop scraping, Jacob.
It's literally rust underneath the dirt.
Okay.
But there's a lot of screws and bolts to get the body off. No, there's only a few screws. Look. One back here. And two here. 1, 2. And I think
Well, there you go.
there's 2 more.
Yeah, there's 2 at the back, and there's probably a couple more up the front.
There's 8 at the front. There's 8. This is it.
Well, I've just put that top bit back on just to keep it out of the way. There's the front end off. Not too bad. Found a fossilized extension bar in there. It's in behind one of the guards. It's all rusty. Somebody lost it. It's funny. Yeah, so pretty much there. We'll get the body off tomorrow. I got the pin out without smashing myself in the face, which is a good thing. And handbrake cable's disconnected. Put that there. Lost my hat. How does this? So I basically need to just disconnect the handbrake cable from the body, and then that'll be one less thing. So this clip looks like it just pulls off. Then again, we've got no idea. Oh yes, helps to shine some light on the situation. Indeed. Oh yeah, fell out. And there's a retaining clip here. So I've still got to undo all fuel lines. Oh no, I don't. It's all on the chassis. The chassis and the engine are one. Just going to make sure that all breathers and stuff aren't connected to the body. Oh, there we go. Down to the gearbox. I should be able to just disconnect this plug that's here. It's disconnected. There's dust in my face. It's great. That's free. The fuel tank's connected to the chassis, but there's wiring. Obviously there'll be a sender, and the wiring's connected to the body.
Son.
Huh?
Son.
Jacob, can you get me that knuckle attachment for the big one out of the toolbox?
Sure, Dad. Found it. Found it, Dad.
Okay. Thank you. That one wasn't tight. Loose as. You can see that I've got the body off. I got it on just a furniture dolly with some timber just to support it. Yeah, move it around one-handed. Once I figure out how I'm gonna lay it out in my garage to work on as much as I can at once, I'll roll this on its side and do the underbody first. Give it a good clean up and spray some Raptor coating on it. But yeah, it's coming along. As you can see, I've gotten the body off. And I'm gonna clean it up and give it a pressure wash. Welcome to the Rust the Rad wrecking yard. There's the front flip, windscreen. There's the tub. It's all had a wash and it's ready to go in. We're going to push it in. Well, Jacob's starting to push it already. There's holes I've got to patch. There's a bit of rust in it. There, it's taken hold a bit. It's been dodged up with silicone. We've got to take that guard off here. See that there? Blown out, that is. We've got an old bonnet frame I'm going to use a steel off. So you don't have to buy new steel, you can just use old panels that you've got.
Really old stuff.
Yeah.
That you don't need. Okay.
And I noticed here, there's like a rust hole there.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
It's a bit rusty.
Because there was dirt in the panel too.
Alright, so we're in the process of cleaning the underbody, getting it ready for a coat of Raptor. Maybe I'll spray a black beforehand and then paint a Raptor, I'm not sure, but as you can see, that's all the tar underbody material. I'll just scrape it off with a chisel because it's sort of easier that way, I think, instead of trying to do it with a wire wheel on a grinder. Yeah. And I found over here a bit of a dodgy sill repair. There's the other roll there. And it actually is a bit bent down the end. There's actually 2 kinks in it. But I don't think you'll really notice. We'll just smooth that off again and paint Raptor along that section. Clean the tar off there. Still got to do it down there. It's already half off. But I'll flip the body over and do the other side. Repairs in here's all rust there. And there's a kink and a hole there. I don't know how much of that I'll replace. This whole side's had a bit of a bang by the look of it. Oh well, that's it for this video. Where is he? Jacob helped me scrape at the rust and everything. So we're starting to clean off all the tar underbody in the wheel arches and give the whole thing a wire wheeling. Treat the rust, do any repairs, and we'll spray the underside. It's cleaned up alright so far. Just wait, mate. Alright, so don't forget to like, share and comment and all that stuff, and check out my links down below this video, and it'll be good. I'm on Instagram, so maybe follow me there. I might post some videos, you know, little short clips of what I'm up to before I release a video.
And buy some merch.
There's no merch.
When we get merch.
Yeah, when we get merch, maybe. But not yet. Anyway.
Yeah, just say get some merch after we get some.
Yeah, after we get some made.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, see you guys.